So I need there for people that say that they need the phone stand. So this is what it looks like. So I will unbox it now and so that you see. So I'm going to annoying. So this is the first the stand for my dolly. So the next thing is so the machine. Let's say pay to draw there. So you see. Once you put it like that, then only can you come what is that inside? So I think it has four major components. So at the five of them. So you put this here. So the battery will lever. So you key it. So it's better than I've seen a lot of okay. I've seen a lot of phone stand, and this is pretty better than most Timothy. Yeah, so fair, and you can key it. You can see now. So this is my phone now. I can put my phone here and do whatever I want to do. So I can also slide there to keep my device. So I can also make it is a landscape now. So it's one of the best phone stand I've seen. So I'm selling it 3,500. It's actually good. Some of the ones I saw, me that be open the pele by oh that be how do I put it now? I want all this lamp to my extend here. So that's what they look like, and I really don't like it. This is is good enough, and you can easily do it like this. So say whatever you want to say, talk to the camera. So this is it. So if you need it, just message me. Mostly for Osun people, but Tabawa and Ibito, because most time if what you are buying is very small, what you need for delivery might be much. But if you still need it, I'll see what I can do. For people in Ilorin, I've seen one person from Ilorin, and I think via delivery at Campus Gate, OU Campus Gate to Ilorin, maybe 2005 or so. So, but if I have more people from Ilorin, I can add them together. Obviously, one person can collect and give to the others. And give to others. All right, thank you. So